Organizers of a San Marcos Christmas festival that's been around since the 80s say they won't hold their annual celebration this year.
Or at least not in the same way. KVUE's Jessica Cha spoke with organizers to find out why.
The sights and sounds of San Marcos is in the business of spreading Christmas cheer.
Having our children on the stage, Santa Claus in and out. We have fun events.
And according to board president Elva Medine, they have been for the past 36 years.
Back in the 80s was a hometown effort. It took place on the square. It was actually a city event. And through time, it's shifted from the chamber to what it is now.
It only costs $5 to go, but Medine says the festival is invaluable to the community.
It's more than just a Christmas festival. It's tradition for many people.
Like Brian Mammal, who says he grew up coming and now he brings his wife, Alexis Davis, and their kids.
We try and come every year unless we have some sort of thing that stops us from coming.
But this year, the board says the festival will not be happening.
Due to funding and due to the size of our board, that it wasn't going to be something that we could produce in the superior quality that our city is looking forward to.
Medine says every year, the entire festival is organized by volunteers, but there just aren't enough people helping.
Not enough to do everything in time, considering that we all have full-time jobs in addition to the volunteer work that we do here.
Medine says funding is also a struggle, with logistics like security taking up over half the budget. And with low entry fees and limited sponsors, this decision was tough.
We think it's important to put out a quality product for our community, and if we don't think that it's going to be that, we don't want to do that.
She says they're speaking with the city to still bring some kind of Christmas cheer this year at a smaller scale, which people like Mammal don't mind.
I don't think you need all the production to really bring the community together and still have it be something that's valuable.
A tradition that may look a little different this December. In San Marcos, Jessica Cha, KVUE News.